Aciari na arutwo a mathukuru matiganite guku bururi-ini nimakoretwo magitukanirwo kurumirira mirugamo ngurani iria ikoretwo ikirutwo ya riria thukuru igacokereria. Mweri-ini turorete wa kenda, arutwo universities na colleges mari na matanya ma gukorwo magicokereria mathomo kuria Minister wa Githomo Prof George Magoha ciumia nini hituku augire murimu no urathie na mbere na kugwatanio na njira nene guku bururi-ini, uguo mathomo magacokereria mwaka-ini turorete. Ide umuthi icera-ini riake kaunti-ini ya Migori, Minister wa Githomo akiuga thukuru cia gugacokereria mbere ya mwaka turorete kurumirira uria murimu wa COVID-19 uthiete na mbere na kuonekana ta utaratambanio na njira nene.
Yes, we are aware the virus is starting to look like it is going to stabilize. That is good news for us. And so we continue to be sure that our children remain safe whenever they return. We had said, even for these colleges that were meant to open in September, that they open in January, but should the situation change, we shall be ready and willing to look at the scenario once again. Not specifically because of the teacher training colleges, because we need them to come and clear the students.
Magoha akihinyiriria wihariria uria urathie na mbere na gutigirira ni wakinyanirio mbere ya thukuru ciothe cicokereirie na gutigirira kuri na mai ma kuigana thukuru-ini, undu umwe na sanitizers na mathabuni, na kuringana na Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri yugite itua ria kana mathukuru ni makuhingurwo kana ca ni rirathie na mbere na kwariririo ni anyiti itemi matiganite sekta-ini ya githomo mari na unyitaniri na ministry ino ya Ugima wa Mwiri.
As far as government is concerned, ours is to open the learning institutions like yesterday. But the bottom line is our children should be reasonably safe when these institutions open. We are doing everything possible, including ensuring that water is available, water sources and containers, the sanitizers, and even we are in the process of
sectors that will need to meet and discuss this. Protocols have also to be developed if indeed that is to happen, and I can tell you that these discussions are ongoing. Hopefully we will be getting some direction or decision on what is going to be done, not only in the area of schools, but some of the other containment measures that are in place.
Kihigisha kiariria mathomo magacokereria gikionekana ta giguthie na mbere kuria aciari, arutwo na arutani. Uyu wari mweri wa gatandatu kuma riria thukuru ciahingirwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Retora Kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.